Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating journey as we explore the origins and early migration of the first Americans. We'll look closely at how these indigenous peoples arrived, adapted to new environments, and laid down the cultural foundations that still resonate today. It's a story of discovery, resilience, and rich heritage that shapes the Americas in profound ways. Let's embark on this exploration together. The first Americans were the earliest humans to live on the continents of North and South America, arriving more than 15,000 years ago. These early groups laid the groundwork for the incredible diversity of indigenous peoples and cultures we see across the Americas today. They adapted to a wide range of environments, from harsh Arctic conditions to dense forests and open plains, which helped pave the way for the development of complex societies. In fact, many sophisticated and thriving communities existed well before Europeans ever made contact with the continent. This deep history is essential to understanding the rich tapestry of indigenous cultures that continue to shape the Americas. During the last ice age, massive ice sheets spread across much of North America, which caused global sea levels to drop significantly. This drop in sea levels exposed land bridges and corridors that were usually underwater. One of the most important of these connections was between Siberia and Alaska. This land bridge allowed early humans to migrate across continents, providing new pathways to settle in previously uninhabited areas of the Americas. These environmental changes were crucial in shaping human migration and the settlement patterns we see today. Between about 30,000 and 11,000 years ago, lower sea levels exposed a land bridge called Beringia. This natural connection linked Siberia and Alaska, allowing early peoples to migrate across it. These hunter-gatherer groups didn't just stay put. They gradually moved southward, spreading into new territories and adapting to a variety of environments as they went. This migration was a crucial step in the peopling of the Americas. One important idea to consider is the early boat usage hypothesis, which suggests that early migrants might have traveled along the Pacific coastline using boats. This challenges the traditional view that people solely moved through inland routes. According to this theory, the coastal route became navigable around 16,000 years ago, which should have been earlier than the opening of ice-free corridors in the interior. This has significant implications for our understanding of human migration, as it implies that maritime skills allowed early humans to disperse quickly along the coast and settle areas that were otherwise unreachable by land. Essentially, mastery of the sea may have played a crucial role in how humans spread across new territories. Archaeological evidence plays a crucial role in understanding early human presence in the Americas. Sites like Monte Verde in Chile and Bluefish Caves in Canada are some of the oldest, dating back more than 14,000 years, showing that humans arrived much earlier than previously thought. In Texas, the Galt site offers valuable insights with its collection of tools linked to the Clovis culture, which thrived around 13,000 years ago. These stone tools and artifacts not only highlight the technological skills of these early inhabitants, but also indicate their wide distribution across the continent. This evidence helps us piece together the story of how humans first settled in the Americas. Genetic research has revealed strong ancestral ties between Native American populations and Siberian peoples, showing a deep connection that spans thousands of years. One of the key tools in uncovering these links is the analysis of mitochondrial DNA, which has identified specific haplogroups, A, B, C, and D, that serve as markers for multiple waves of migration across continents. These genetic lineages are not just markers of movement. They also reflect important adaptations to a variety of climates, demonstrating how populations evolved in response to their environments. Overall, the population history is quite complex, shaped by ongoing migration, periods of isolation, and significant environmental changes, all contributing to the rich genetic diversity we see today. Around 20,000 years ago, the first human migrations probably started across Beringia, the land bridge that once connected Asia and North America. This was the crucial gateway for early people entering a new continent. Then, between 15,000 and 13,000 years ago, we see the emergence of the Clovis culture. This culture is significant because it spread widely across much of North America and is known for its distinctive stone tools. Finally, by about 10,000 years ago, humans had expanded extensively into South America, forming a variety of communities adapted to different environments. This timeline highlights the gradual but impressive spread of human populations throughout the Americas. Understanding where the first Americans came from helps us appreciate the rich history and cultural diversity of indigenous peoples today. Their ancient migrations across continents and the strong bonds they maintain with their ancestral lands are key parts of their identity and heritage. By recognizing this deep history, we gain a fuller perspective on the human story of the Americas and the remarkable resilience of Native communities throughout time.